Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3, Animals. Okay, video part 1, question number 1. It looks like a fish, but not a fish. So what is this? This is whale because it is mammal. It gives the birth to young one. That's why, and it feeds their young one. That's why it is the mammal. It is not a fish. So first answer will be your option C. Question number 2. A baby frog is known as, this is the picture of the baby frog and it is known as tadpole. So second answer will be your option B. Question number 3. Name the breathing organ present in the given organism. So this is your grasshopper, and grasshopper is the insect, and insects breathe through the spiracle. So this is the spiracle structure. Actually, this hole is present on the surface of their body, and they just takes the oxygen from these spherical part only. Okay, option B. The third answer is option B. Question number 4. Dash breathes through its body surface. So insects breathe through spiracles, fish will breathes through gills, and uh, this is also the insect. Mosquito breathes through spiracles only. So amoeba breathes through the body surface. So fourth answer will be option C. Question number 5. Which among the following statement is incorrect? Frog is an amphibian. Yes, it is an amphibian. It can live on earth and water both. Frog breathes through its lungs. Yes, it is also correct. Frog can breathe through the moist skin. Yes, while it is in water, they can breathe through moist skin. Tadpole breathe through its gills. So yes, it is also correct. The answer will be none of these. The fifth answer is option E. Question number 6. Due to absence of dash, blood in insects is not red in color due to absence of hemoglobin. Okay, blood's color is not red. Question number 7. Which among the following can breathe through their moist skin? So actually the picture is not properly clear. That's why I have pasted the fresh one. This is your earthworm, breathe through moist skin. And this is the frog, can breathe through moist skin, and this is the salamander, can breathe through moist skin. So seventh answer will be your all of the above. Question number 8. Which among the following is not a carnivorous animal? So this is the wild cat, carnivore, jackal, carnivore, but this is the omnivore. Here is the omnivore. Eighth answer will be your option C. Question number 9. Which of the following birds have hooked beak and sharp claws? The hooked beak and sharp claws has the carnivorous birds. The ninth answer will be your option A. Question number 10. Dash are also known as the gnawing animals. So rodents, these are the example of the rodents, and rodents can gnaw the food, means they just cut the food in small pieces and then eat it. So 10th answer will be option B. Question number 11. Herbivorous animals have sharp dash teeth to cut grasses. This is the incisor. Incisor is the sharp, and the other teeth are other teeth have the wide space so that they can chew it properly. The option will be B. So 11th answer is option B. Question number 12. Which among the following cannot breathe through spiracles? So birds breathe through lungs only, and these three are the insects. So 12 answer will be option B. Question number 13. Which among the following statement is not correct? Omnivorous animals eat plants as well as flesh. So yes, herbivore animals eat only plants. Yes, carnivore animals eat flesh of dead and decaying animals. No, those are scavengers. Those are scavengers. The 13th answer will be option C. Question number 14. Paddle-like limbs used by turtles to swim. So this is the paddle-like limbs. This is your flippers. The 14th answer is option C. Question number 15. Dash are legless reptiles. Snakes are legless reptiles. So 15th answer is C. Snake does not have leg. They have uh, they have scales on their body so that they can walk or slither. Okay. The movement of the snake is known as slithering. Question number 16. Which one among the following is the flightless bird? The flightless bird, this is the ostrich, this is your emu, and this is your rhea. All three are the flightless bird. So that's why 16th answer will be your option D. Question number 17. Identify the given bird. So this is the picture of the penguin. Option B. 17th answer is option B. Question number 18. Snake crawl with the help of dash present on their bodies, with the help of scales present on their bodies. Snake does not have fins, wings, and flippers. So 18th answer will be your option C. Question number 19. Dash tiny holes present on the bodies of the insects for breathing. So this is your spiracles. Spiracles is the small hole. So 19th answer will be option B. Small openings on the body which helps in the breathing. Question number 20. Which of the following birds have talons? So this is your vulture. Vulture have the talons. Talons are the big nail of the birds. Okay. So 20 answer will be option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.